अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। आज ये वीडियो है हाउ आई प्रिडिक्ट क्रिप्टो मार्केट फॉर शॉर्ट ट्रेड्स एंड फ्रॉम क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग दिस वे। तो ये वेबसाइट ओपन कर लेते हैं। तो हाउ टू मेक मनी विथ क्रिप्टो करेंसी hosted by Frank Google in investing update on August 26, 2022. So you are you're interested in getting into crypto and want to turn Bitcoin into cash. You had all of the success stories, people making millions of dollars by getting in early and selling when the prices are high, or perhaps you have friends who make a steady income by mining cryptocurrency. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but no all end up doing that. A lot of people either simply give up along the way or lose money because they do not properly understand how to make money the cryptocurrency. Here we take a closer look at how to make money with cryptocurrency. Table of contents 1. Can you make money with cryptocurrency? 2. 6 strategies for making money with crypto. 3. Other crypto considerations. 4. Read more. यानी और भी हैं, read more. Can you make